Hey there! Welcome to BeginAIverse, the channel where I share powerful AI tools to help you work smarter, boost your creativity, and save time, even if you're not a tech expert. Today, I'm going to show you 5 completely free AI tools you need to try in 2025. These tools can seriously level up your productivity. It's like having your own virtual assistant for free. So if you're looking to bring AI into your work, studies, or creative projects, you're in the right place. And the best part? They're totally free to get started. Let's dive in. The first tool, and honestly the one I've been using the most lately, is Monica AI. It's like an all-in-one AI assistant, a tool that combines pretty much everything you'd expect from today's AI chatbots. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, even image generation, translation, content writing, all bundled into one small extension right inside your browser. Whenever I run into a long article and feel too lazy to read it, I just click the Summarize Page button, and Monica quickly pulls out the main points, clear and straight to the point. You can also highlight any paragraph and right-click to ask it to summarize, translate, explain, check grammar, rewrite, expand, or answer a question. This is super helpful for students, learners, or anyone trying to absorb new information fast. What I love most is the ability to chat directly with powerful AIs like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Right inside your browser, no new tab needed. If you're reading an article or going through a document, you can just open Monica and ask whatever's on your mind. Anything from concept explanations to idea generation or rewording complex text, it's all right there. Monica's also pretty solid when it comes to content writing. You can type something like, create an Instagram caption for a scented candle, and it'll give you a complete version. You can customize the output length, format, tone, and language however you like. I often use it to write video descriptions, short blog posts, or even when I'm out of ideas and need help with structure. And honestly, even the free version is good enough for most basic writing needs. Another cool feature is Monica's ability to create AI podcasts. It basically turns any text into natural-sounding speech. You can use content from a web article, PDF, YouTube link, or any other document. Choose the voice and language, and you're done. In the Discover section, you'll find even more useful tools. Grammar checker, AI content detection, long-form translation, mind map creation. You can even upload a PDF, up to 20 megabytes, and ask Monica to read it, summarize it, or extract important info for you. Of course, the free version has some limitations, like daily usage caps, and no access to the advanced AI chat features in the Pro version. But still, if you're studying, creating content, or just need to process information faster, Monica is totally worth checking out. All in all, for a free tool that does this much, I think it's more than enough, especially for busy people or anyone who's not super tech savvy. The next free tool I want to share with you is Gamma AI, a platform that uses artificial intelligence to turn your text or ideas into beautiful presentations, websites, documents, or even social media posts. And the best part? You don't need to know anything about design. No messing with layouts, no fiddling with templates. Just type in your idea, like create a product pitch deck, and Gamma takes care of everything else. You can start by pasting in existing content, uploading a file, dropping a link, or just writing a simple one-line prompt. Then you choose your format: a slide deck, a scrollable website, a clean document, or a short-form social post. Gamma automatically breaks down the content, adds headlines, descriptions, visuals, and the final result looks clean, modern, and super readable. What's also great is that everything's editable. You can drag and drop slides, swap images, change colors, add blocks like videos, charts, buttons, and it all works right inside your browser. No downloads, no installs. You can share your presentation with a link, export it as a PDF, or even embed it on your website. And if you're sharing with others, Gamma even shows you analytics like which slides people viewed and how far they got. Now, the free plan does come with a few limitations. You get 400 free credits when you sign up, which you can use for creating slides, generating images, and using AI features. Once you run out, you can still use Gamma, but some features will be restricted. Also, certain advanced themes, premium animations, and full PowerPoint export are only available in the paid version. But honestly, if you're a student, teacher, office worker, or content creator, and you want a fast, easy way to present your ideas without spending hours designing, Gamma is 100% worth checking out. The free plan alone gives you way more than you'd expect, and it might just become your new favorite AI tool.
Next up is Fotor, one of the most versatile AI-powered tools I've come across for photo editing and design.
You can do pretty much everything here. Create avatars, remove backgrounds, adjust colors, add lighting effects, and even generate brand new images from text prompts, just like some of those advanced AI image generators. What I love most is the interface. It's super beginner-friendly, no need to learn Photoshop or deal with complicated tools. Just drag, drop, click a few buttons, and you'll have a great-looking image in no time.
Fotor also offers a wide variety of ready-made templates for things like social media posts, posters, YouTube thumbnails, and more, making it easy to start designing even if you're not a pro. Fotor also comes with a smart retouching feature that's perfect for portraits. It can smooth skin, brighten eyes, enhance lip color, and more, all while keeping your photos looking clean and natural. Fotor has an AI filter feature that lets you transform your portrait into cartoon-style images or 3D avatars. Just upload a photo, choose an AI filter you like, and Fotor will automatically turn your image into a stylized animated version. It's a fun and easy way to create profile pictures, characters, or eye-catching visuals for your social media. And here's the cool part. You get a 7-day free trial of the Pro version when you sign up. During that time, you'll unlock tons of extra features like watermark-free downloads, premium filters, high-res exports, selective color editing, and unlimited AI image generations from text, while the free version gives you about 8 tries. Of course, once the 7 days are up, your account reverts to the free plan unless you upgrade. But even on the free version, you still get access to a solid set of basic features like quick edits, simple cropping, background removal, and tons of free templates for posters and banners. If you're someone who needs quick, good-looking visuals for social media, online shops, or simple marketing, without spending hours learning design tools, then Fotor is a great place to start. It's especially useful if you're just starting out and want something fast, easy to use, and actually fun to work with. If you're into anime, 3D cartoons, or fantasy-style visuals, you're gonna love this next tool, Aitubo. It's a fun and creative AI platform that lets you generate images in styles like anime or cinematic visuals. You can experiment with different looks, from dreamy fantasy to retro animation, all by just typing in a prompt. The free version does have some limits, but it's more than enough to get started and try out the core features. You get 50 tokens per day, and here's a tip. Make sure to check in daily to rack up bonus tokens. The longer your streak, the bigger the rewards. And you can even hit a jackpot on day 7. The interface is beginner-friendly and doesn't require any technical skills. Just type your prompt in English, choose your style anime, retro, cinematic, whatever vibe you're going for, hit generate, and Aitubo creates the image for you. Aitubo also comes with some really cool features like face swap, AI avatar, and talking avatar, which let you bring your characters to life and even make them talk. You can also try out AI dance, where your static characters start moving, or use the AI headshot generator to create professional-style portraits. Recently, Aitubo added even more creative tools. Video generator, turn text or images into short animated videos. Music generator, create background music with AI. And a bunch of photo and video effects to stylize your content with unique visual filters. These are super handy if you're making storytelling content, YouTube videos, or just want to add more creativity to your visuals without doing it all manually. The last tool I want to talk about is Pika.art. It's an AI tool that lets you create videos from pretty much anything, text, images, and even existing video clips. It helps you bring your ideas to life quickly, without needing any video editing skills. You can start with a text prompt, a still image, or even a short video you already have. Then Pika uses AI to turn it into a new version that features more dynamic and smoother motion. And honestly, it's kind of surreal, in a good way. Pika also gives you a set of basic effects for free, so you can easily make your content stand out. You can use Pika effects to add fun, eye-catching effects to your videos, no editing software needed. There are also a bunch of unique features you can explore. Pika Twists lets you manipulate a specific character or object in a video, while keeping the rest of the scene untouched. Selfies, focused on generating personalized content from your own portrait. Pika Frames turns 2 still images, a starting and ending frame, into a smooth, animated video. Pika Swaps, an AI editing tool to replace or modify specific objects in a video. Pika Additions
lets you add new people or objects to an existing video in a way that looks natural and seamless. Pika Scenes helps you build more complex scenes by combining multiple elements and visual references. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind with the free plan. You only get 80 credits per month, and many of the advanced effects or premium features are only available in the Pro version. If you want full access to everything Pika can do, you'll need to upgrade your account. But if you just want to make short videos, try out ideas, or simply have fun experimenting with AI, the free version is honestly enough to get started. And that's a wrap. Those were 5 free AI tools you can start using right now, whether it's for writing, generating images, quick design work, building clean presentations, or creating short AI-powered videos. Each tool has its own strengths, and the best part is, you don't have to pay to try out the core features. Which one are you most excited to try out? Or if you've already used any of them, let me know what you think down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools and tips coming your way. See you in the next one.